a refrigerator, a washing machine, an air conditioner. There's so much you need to fill your new home. How can I afford all these? Want to know more? Introducing LG Subscribe. It's a new and easy way to experience premium LG appliances without the burden of upfront costs. Ever wonder why we rent expensive homes and lease cars, but always buy appliances? It allows you to subscribe to various LG appliances and use them. By selecting the product option and subscription period, a monthly subscription fee is calculated. By paying just the first month's subscription fee, you can use the appliances. With LG Subscribe, you can save a large amount of the initial cost, even if you choose the same product. You can experience the premium appliances with a minimum monthly budget. And with all the money you save, you can invest it in the moments that matter most in life. You can spend on planned activities such as dining out, hobbies, or shopping. Thanks to regular visits from LG Care experts, you can get professional maintenance to ensure long-lasting use. Once the subscription period ends, you can fully own the appliances or replace them with the latest model. Now enjoy life to the fullest while making your payments easier. Get the best of LG without upfront costs. Pay monthly, enjoy regular expert care, and the included warranty. Live grand, pay gradual. Subscribe to a better life. LG Subscribe.